Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another property tour with ChriSamz. So today we're just heading over to Phoenix Park Village, where we will give you a quick drive through, as well as we'll give you an overhead view of the housing scheme. So today what we're basically trying to do is to give you guys an update on phase 4 and phase 5 of Phoenix Park Village. As you may know, as well as you may not know, that all these units are sold out, as persons would have already been on the waiting list for these houses to be ready. So for those persons who are waiting, we will just go right ahead and to provide you with that update. So let's head on over to Phoenix Park Village. Alright guys, so we are here at Phoenix Park, but just before we go into this video, please go right ahead, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on your post notification bell that you may receive updates like this and others to come. So we'll just jump right into it. We'll give you a tour from the main gate down to the area where the construction is being done for phase 4 and phase 5. So as we pass through phases 1, 2 and 3, you guys will get a general idea of how this housing scheme is laid out. You might be able to glimpse the size of the lots that these houses are on, and you might also get the opportunity to see the park and the road network, etc. So in this video guys, we'll just give you an idea of the cost for each unit. We'll give you a breakdown in terms of the number of rooms, the size of the houses, as well as the size of the land that you will get. So you will have a basic idea of how much space you have to work with in terms of to live in, as well as space for expansion. So if you're a person that loves a lot of land space, then this development would be great for you. If you have a big family and you wish to expand in the future, then a space like this will be good for you. So ensure that you're subscribed to this channel and that you turn on your post notifications, so whenever Gore or other developers send properties like this, we will be able to provide you guys with the information that you need in order for you to put in your application to own a property just like this one. So in phase 4, the houses will come in 2 different sizes. The first of which would be a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit with the size of 675 square feet, and this will be sitting on 3,500 square feet of land, and these units were sold for $11,750,000. While everything else remains constant in terms of the lot size and the bedroom and the bathroom, the size of this unit is 810 square feet and was sold for $13 million. In phase 5, we will have a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit that's 675 square feet, sitting on 4,000 square feet of land, which was sold for $12,750,000. Another 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit, 813 square feet, sitting on 4,000 square feet of land for $14 million. As a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit, 960 square feet, which will be sitting on 5,000 square feet of land. So with that information, you should be able to have an idea of the amount of space that you will have to work with inside the house and in your yard. So for persons planning for expansion, you will have a general idea of how much room you will have to work with. So guys, you can just continue watching this video. As you can see, the houses are properly laid out. The road network in this housing scheme is properly done. The drainage system is properly done, and the scheme is looking lovely. So we're just going to head on into the construction zone, where you guys will be able to see what is taking place with phase 4 of this development, as well as phase 5. So as the video progresses, we will also give you an overhead view of Phoenix Park Village, and you guys will have even better idea of what is going on over this side of the world. So guys, just stay tuned. If you have not yet subscribed, like I've said, just go right ahead at this time and hit that subscription button, and we will give you guys some more updates on these kind of developments. So enjoy this video guys, and we'll see you at the end of the video.
place is big, guys. A lot of houses. The prices varies too, depending on the lot size. Yeah, things are going.
So there you have it, guys. We've come to the end of another video. I hope you guys found this information to be very useful, and remember to subscribe to the channel, hit that post notification bell that you will receive your updates, like this video, leave us a comment, and we will definitely see you guys in another video at another place at another time. Take care.